Hi there, this is our Lagun FU.1-LA universal mill. Really good quality, quite a solid 3-phase machine. Universal table that swivels, 2-axis universal head on it, and a nice digital readout system. The digital readout's working nicely. You probably won't be able to see it in this light, but it's working nicely. Got your wee cradle for changing the head, etc. And nice features on this particular one with the feeds and rapid. It's got a variable speed feed system on it here, and with a wee gauge, which that gauge isn't working. And then it's got a really nice feature for your gears as well, and that is it's a variable speed. It's got 2 speed selection ranges here. One's 35 to 250 RPM, and the other one's 250 to 1800, and then a wheel at the back to change the vary the speed of your head or horizontal. So really nice features on it. I'll start from over this side. So you've got your arbor and arbor supports. Out the back there you've got your variable speed wheel for changing that. Table's in pretty good condition and is nice to move with very little play whatsoever in that. You've got your control pendulum there. That's the coolant system pump working. I haven't got fluid in it. That's the knee up and down. It's nice to work, and this will be table going across and towards you, which is nice to work, and very little movement in that as well. Got your locks, your manual oiling system there, and it feels as though that's working. Over this side you've also got an electrical switch for forward and reverse, and you've got a wee RPM counter there as well for the variable speed, so when you're adjusting that you can see, and that's all operating. Okay, I've turned that coolant on. I'll turn the feeds on. So that's your feed motor running there. I'll vary it so it's slower, fast, slower, etc. Here's your feed engagement there. So I'll start with the table. So that's that table running that way, and I can rapid that and change that back towards me. So that's feeding this way now, and rapid. So that's that table. We'll take that knee up. So that's feeding up on the knee now, and now rapiding up and down, feeding down and rapid down. And that's the table going away from you on feed and rapiding in, and then I'll change that, and that's on feed now, coming out towards you, and rapid out. So that's the feed system. I'll turn that off, and that's the head running there. So that's in the higher range, 250 to 1800, running at about 400 RPM. Slow that down, now I'll speed her up. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1200, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500. I'll make that go the other direction. So that's running the other direction now. And change that range into the slow range there. So that's about 75, 100, down. It's about 75 again. So there's the head and horizontal running there. It ticks over nicely, it's nice to operate, obviously easy to change the speed. And that's probably about the lot of it really. Yeah, so good quality, solid, it's got some nice features with it and that digital readout.